In other news, internet sex stings keep child predators off the street. At least that's what we're led to believe. There's a small group in Florida fighting back, arguing the stings are destroying more lives than saving kids.
2.5 years ago, Escambia County deputies arrested 25 men in Operation Blue Shepherd. Officials said the men were looking for sex with minors after chatting online. While not in this video, one of those men was Trey Jeanette.
Once you're labeled a pedophile, that sticks with you for eternity.
He's innocent, but his life is ground to a halt. This past fall, his guilty plea was thrown out on appeal, the higher court saying investigators were the ones who were talking about sex with a minor, not him. Jeanette thought he was chatting with a college-age woman.
There hasn't been much of an improvement. If I wasn't a veteran, it'd be very bleak, probably homeless.
Today, he spends much of his free time on the computer, fighting back against internet sex stings. The way most of them work, police post ads on adult sites like Craigslist saying they're adults. But once they start one-on-one chats, the officer claims he's underage.
In almost every instance, it is the police who are doing the seducing and the luring and the enticing.
Peter Aiken is a Florida lawyer who defends men caught in sex stings.
The problem with the stings is they're catching 5% of the predators and they're destroying 95% of the lives of innocent men.
According to Jeanette's analysis, only a few suspects are caught with child porn. Opponents say the stings are motivated in part by the good PR they generate and also money. Money from cars seized from suspects and federal funding they get from the Internet Crimes Against Children Division of the Department of Justice. Jeanette and others argue some police are violating the rules set out by the feds when it comes to sex stings.
What we want to have happen in Florida is the same thing that's happened in Georgia. We want to shut the stings down. We want them investigated. We want them to find the violations.
Jeanette has set up websites dedicated to explaining his side of the argument. For more information, you can find this story on WKRG.com.